Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, welcome to my online video class. I hope you are well by the grace of the Almighty Allah. Today, I am going to take an interesting English class and you will be attractive. I am Muhammad Mukhtar Hussain, Assistant Teacher English, Tehamadur Kaunia, Rangpur. Class 10, Lesson Transformation of Sentences. Look at the following sentences. The scenery is very charming. How charming the scenery is. Dear learners, this scenery is very charming, and how charming the scenery is equal. But we are expressing this sentence in this way. You are a very good boy. What a good boy you are. I wish I were a writer. If I were a writer. The two sentences are the same, but according to the use, they are expressing different types of words. Today's topic is assertive to exclamatory. That means I am going to teach you how to change assertive sentence into interrogative sentence. Learning outcomes. After the end of the lessons, you will be able to use different exclamatory sentences in their real life. You will be able to tell the definition of exclamatory sentence. You will be able to describe the rules of exclamatory sentences. Rule 1. In case of exclamatory sentence, how plus adjective plus subject plus verb. Example: she is very beautiful. This is an assertive sentence. If we write this sentence in exclamatory, it will be how beautiful she is. Next example: you are very handsome boy. If we change it into exclamatory, it will be how handsome boy you are. Now rule 2. How plus adjective plus subject plus verb plus extension. Example: I am very glad to see you. Exclamatory: how glad I am to see you. Another example: he was very happy to see his mother. In exclamatory, we will say how happy he was to see his mother. Rule 3. What a plus adjective plus subject plus verb plus extension. Notice the examples. It is a very cute baby. In exclamatory, it will be What a cute baby it is. Another example, it is a very good job. This is assertive sentence in exclamatory. What a good job it is. Now I am going to discuss rule 4. What and plus adjective plus subject plus verb plus extension. Notice the example. He is a very excellent teacher here. In exclamatory, what an excellent teacher he is here. Rule 5. If plus the rest part of the sentence. Example, he wishes he could be an officer. In exclamatory, if he could be an officer. Rule 6. Notice the sentence and structure. Hurrah or oh. These words are called interjection. Interjection hurrah or who, oh plus next clause plus second clause. Notice the examples carefully. It is a matter of joy that he has got a job. If we write the sentence into exclamatory, it will be, oh, he has got a job. Rule 7. Alas plus next clause or second clause. Example, it is a matter of sorrow that he has failed. In exclamatory, alas, he has failed. Interjection alas expresses sorrow. Interjection hurrah expresses joy or delight. Rule 8. 5. Next plus next clause or second clause. Example, it is a matter of shame that he has stolen. Exclamatory, 5. He has stolen. 5. Interjection expresses hatred. Now let us practice these sentences. They are very nice. He is a very weak boy. She is a very excellent girl. He wishes he could be rich. We are very happy for your help. It is a matter of joy that you have got a prize. It is a matter of sorrow that he has failed. Dear learners, now I am going to teach them in the blackboard. They are very nice. This is an assertive sentence. The exclamatory will be how nice they are. How nice they are. We have to use how in place of very. If we use very, it will be assertive sentence. If we use how, it will be an exclamatory sentence. In this way, he is a very weak boy. What a weak boy he is. What a weak boy he is. Number 3. She is a very excellent girl. This is an assertive sentence. The exclamatory will be what an excellent girl she is. What an excellent girl she is. 4. He wishes he could be rich if he could be rich. If he could be rich. Number 5. We are very happy for your help. This is an assertive sentence. The exclamative will be how happy we are for your help. How happy we are for your help. Dear learners, notice the next sentence. It is a matter of joy that you have got a prize. It is a matter of joy. This sentence expresses joy. So we have to use hurrah in place of it is a matter of joy. Hurrah! You have got a prize. Got a prize. Hurrah! You have got a prize. Last sentence. It is a matter of sorrow that he has failed. Alas expresses sorrow. So we have to write alas he has failed. Alas he has failed. Again, notice the answers, how nice they are. What a weak boy he is. What an excellent girl she is. If he could be rich, how happy we are for your help. Oh, you have got a prize. Alas, he has failed. Now I am going to give you homework. They are very active. He was a very honest man. She is a very beautiful girl. I wish I could fly in the sky. We are very glad to see the sea beach. It is a matter of joy that you have done well. It is a matter of sorrow that I am undone. You will practice this in your home.